Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Well, as you can see, this is awesome. There's all these different settings here. You can pulse. Number 2 setting is specifically for smoothies. So what you want for this smoothie is 1 apple. Just cut it up. You can peel it if you want, but I like the skin to be on. Then half a cup or 125 grams of blueberries that you've had in the fridge. 1 cup of plain or vanilla yogurt. That's it. That is how simple this is. Now put this lid on, which I love, and blend it on medium or high, or if you have a blend deck, if you're lucky enough, because this is brilliant, press 2 for smoothie and enjoy the ride.
Simple